So for those of you that are like math people, right? You're STEM oriented, you like numbers. This is kind of a fun one. I'm not someone who is a math person, but I actually really like this one. So this is just called historical math. So what you will do is you'll basically come up with a list of like math problems that are based on history. So for example, it could be the year Rome fell plus the Edict of Milan, right? Or the the year World War II ended times the number of states that seceded, during the Civil War. So you can come up with as many different ones as you want: multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. I mean, you could go into some pretty complicated math skills, I'm sure. But basically, you're testing the numbers that come up in your history class. You can test dates. You can test number of people who did something. Number of, I don't know, which number amendment was it? Which, whatever. Come up with as many different combinations of numbers as you can. Write down, make like 10 different problems and give them to a friend and have them do the same for you. So just a quick disclaimer, you don't have to actually know dates to do well on the AP history tests. You can do well without that. The dates, though, are useful for evidence points, and they are also useful for just like understanding the storyline so that what came first in the order of events that happen. So again, there isn't like, a list of, there are important dates that you can know, but there isn't like a list of like, you have to know these dates in order to do well at all. That's not real. So you do need to know general, cause and effect, general orders of things. It's useful to know the century. Like that's another way you could do this too, right? The century that this happened times the century that this happened, whatever. So go crazy, practice them, tweet me like cool ones that you've got. I'm kind of like trying to curate a list of them, so send them to me so that we can come up with some more kind of fun ones.